Business is booming for food trucks. With nearly 50,000 food trucks operating in the US and an average year-over-year industry growth of 16%, it's clear that customers can't get enough of these fast, convenient, and delicious mobile restaurants. With new trucks constantly hitting the roads, mobile restaurateurs are counting on their builder for a safe, reliable, and code-compliant food truck, one that stands up to the rigors of the road and protects their customers and their business against catastrophic equipment failure. The Blue Hose food truck gas connector is the benchmark in food truck safety. As the original stainless steel movable gas connector, the Blue Hose boasts millions of safe installations in commercial kitchens. Now, the new Blue Hose food truck gas connector is ready to hit the road, with everything a truck needs to fulfill requirements in IFC 2018 and IFC 2021 for food truck gas appliance connections included in the box. Rated for performance in temperatures as low as -10 degrees Fahrenheit or -23 degrees Celsius, and featuring an enhanced antimicrobial coating featuring built-in UV protection, the Blue Hose food truck gas connector is designed for peak durability. It's composed of a tightly woven stainless steel braiding that helps prevent corrugations from stretching when gas equipment is moved, and heavy-duty stainless steel corrugated tubing for superior flexibility, durability, and corrosion resistance. The Blue Hose also features stress guard technology, rotational fittings at both ends of the connector designed to make installation easier and dramatically reduce stress on the hose ends. These features improve the performance and lifespan of the hose, allowing food truck owners to practice their craft with confidence no matter what the road throws their way. For additional details on this product, head to Dormont.com.